Hi, I'm Coby, and today is my fourth vlog. So now we're gonna show the cat we saved yesterday. It's finally tamed a little bit, and we're also gonna give our hedgehogs a bath. We're gonna give our hedgehogs a bath.
It lets me off.
Daddy's following us.
Are we giving it a bath or are we cooking it?
No, we're not gonna cook it.
Check the water if it's warm. Where are the hedgehogs?
Okay, these are Hedgie and Pricklet. Their cage is very dirty.
Oh, the kitten.
Mga away. Ayan sila. Coby, look! Hindi na nga pagpaligo ka pa. Ganahan sila.
Whoa!
They like it. What's going on?
Oh my gosh! One of them is trying to get out.
Dili kayo magula eh. Dili ito tas kang pan. Dahan.
Ayun, Albino ulo na.
So where does it go?
Who's that? That's Hedgie.
Hedgie.
Nickendal.
Pricklet. Pricklet always eats, but then Hedgie. Before when we still kept them in a cage, we had a spinner, so Hedgie kept walking around the spinner, and then Pricklet kept eating. He didn't exercise.
Okay.
Tusok. Tama.
It's okay, it's just there.
It's gone.
It's okay, it's just cleaning itself.
Parang pagpauga na pa.
Paugon rin eh ka na. Tulad na kayo dyan sa panik eh. Kuha naman sa butang sa ugang ko.
Nickendal.
We need to find a boy hedgehog. Call him. What's his name?
There's poop in the water.
You serious?
Who?
There's poop. Or globs of poop. If we get the boy hedgehog, what would we name?
A blue boy hedgehog is named
There's a poop on
Sonic.
Sonic. It's Sonic. Oh,
If we get a blue hedgehog and it's a boy, we're gonna have to call him Sonic.
this is sweet poop. There's sweet poop.
Kaya wala na gamita. Yung kumay.
how to get her to.
Oh, the baby cat is sneezing.
Playing with the GoPro.
That's the GoPro.